All right, so this is the next one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pick her up. All right, which side goes up?
Just like that.
Okay, so we're going to
back.
go like
I have
this.
it numbered in the back.
You got them numbered in the back. I don't see any number on it.
I know you don't.
There's no number on it.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, this says 8.
So 25.
All right, so. Okay, so these are all the same length, by the way. I don't know if you know that.
No, they're not.
So, yeah.
They're different.
No, these are all the same. All these are the same.
Oh, those are the same, yes.
Yeah, they're all the same. I mean,
But
actually some are longer.
Right.
But they're all the same distance this way.
This way.
All right, so take
25,
this.
So I'm cutting at 25.
Well, here's the beauty of it. You can just go like this, and
No, I want 2 inches on the. I want about 2 inches flapping over here.
you want 2 inches. All right.
Well, let's back up. So that much. Yeah. So we'll cut it at. See, they're just going to be off the line.
So what I'm saying is we're going to cut 2 of them for this, right?
Yeah.
So, and you know that this is 4 inches, right?
No.
It's actually less.
No. It's
So 24. If you do 20,
honey, it's.
I know. If you do 24,
3/4. So if I do 24,
you're going to come all the way around.
Yeah, but that one I did 25. So I'll just do 24.
Yeah.
I'll just do.
That's
24.
how I measured it, by the way.
Okay.
So now measure off 25 for.
24.
All right, so you're going to cut it right here.
We'll do right at that one.
Right there. And I'm going to hold my thumb there so that you don't miss it. Now you got to get your scissors. You can't use profanity on YouTube.
Oh, you can't be filming.
You're not being in it. You're not anywhere in it.
Okay.
Just relax, for Christ's sake. Take, right here. Try to get it, keep it on the line.
Where do you think I'm going?
I don't know. Crazy.
Hmm.
Bam, done. Now, bring her down, roll her out, match her up, nice and even. And this is going to go to the exact same spot on this one. All right, hang on, let me get it.
You holding it?
I'm on it. I'm on it like.
No, I'm just asking because I. So it's not. It's a bummer.
It's right there.
I know where it is. Look up.
Okay, so now we're going to let this one roll up. That's a girl. Yep, to keep yourself going. Keep your straight line. Looking good. Almost there. Just another 2 inches. Please don't stab me with the scissors. Yeah, done. All right, put that over there. So we got 2 of them. All right, put one here. Or she may want them to go a certain way. So I think that she's got these going this way. Let me look at this one. All right, so you got them going. So is this the front?
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute, because look, this is what I'm telling you. So see how you've got this going from the front on this angle? You want them all to be on the angle
No,
like
it
that?
doesn't matter where they go.
Or it doesn't matter.
They're going to be filled.
All right, whatever.
But I have to clean every one of them off first.
Ooh, gotta clean them. Get them clean. Oh yeah, looking good. Now you gotta dry it off. It's all wet.
I hate you.
Just dry the son of a gun off. All right, let's do it, man.
This looks like this is already half the roll. It's funny. But you think you got enough, huh?
No, we got more than we got another roll
I
there.
know, but I'm just saying.
That roll doesn't look very big.
That was a smaller roll. We got one of one and one of the other, remember?
Yeah. All right.
Where's what we?
All right, so I had a tool here. You moved it.
Of what?
The little
This is what I cut, right?
Yep, the razor.
I have all this right here. Where is it?
Let's see if I can get it.
Wait, no, wait. I want to see the part I cut.
For the back.
For the back.
Well, you can tell by just looking at the back, because the back is, yeah, there you go. You can see that's the side you cut. All right, so bring it over here. Now let me see if I can
Wait a minute. Why does this look so short?
Because it's 24 inches instead of 25.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
It's an inch difference. Where is that little knife? There it is.
So that's okay.
Here you go.
That's going to go like that. Right. That'll cover over it.
This is important, so we're going to show you how we do this. So right here, because these things are together, you got to separate them. She kind of pulls it apart like that. All right, now let me put this back up here so you guys can see. And make sure we're looking good.
You have to get that end.
All right, hang on, I'm coming. Already got her.
Okay.
Okay, now you got to get this here. Hang on.
Not pulling more.
We got to get it perfectly even. And this has got to be perfectly even too. If you're off by a quarter inch.
What I do is I just make sure this is good.
Yeah.
So that's going to be off by a hair.
All right, where's my little thing? Ow. You just jabbed it right into my hand. Did that hurt or what? Okay, ready? You gotta grab your thing. Here we go. You gotta kind of hold it a little bit.
Wait. I can't do both.
All right, I'm gonna hold it, and you do that part.
You need to do both hands. Go ahead.
I'm doing it.
You need to do both, so it's all so you have pressure.
I'm almost
Wait,
done.
back up. Okay.
Why are you not keeping?
In. Okay, and then I'm gonna.
Right.
That's the end of it?
Yeah, that's it. Then we're off the edge. There's the edge. Bam! All right, let's get into a little more introspection. All right, so here we are. Looking good.
See, what is that? How do you get...
Let's get the heat on it.
Well, but it bubbled up before.
So she's smushing it underneath here. Under the lip. That's it. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, it doesn't go completely
Well, it's not going to be perfect.
flat, but it's fine.
Okay, let's not let this thing fall off.
You have a bubble here.
Get the bubble out.
I can't.
Where's the bubble at?
No, it's underneath.
You can smush it out
I
because
think because the boards are not square and they're bent,
you can push it out.
I can't push it out.
Right there, I feel it. I got it. I pushed it out completely. I pushed that bubble completely out.
No,
Yep.
it doesn't go out.
Got that one out too. So I've gotten 2 bubbles out so far. All right, that was good.
See this bubble all right here?
Okay, so now this one's cut. We're gonna put this one on. So we need our little knife.
Yes, it is, right?
Yep. So we gotta get the knife on it.
So it's gonna go like. Wait. This is too high. And I want to make sure this is straight. So that's how I want it.
It's good?
It's going to go like that. Yeah.
All right, so that you got a...
Well, I can bring it up a little. I can bring it forward.
All right, yeah.
Wait.
You gotta make sure that ends... Because the
Yeah.
back of it's not
Yeah, that's
crucial.
what I mean. I don't really care.
The back's not crucial.
This is it. This is good.
So let's separate this.
You can't even see. Like
I don't have good eyes.
You cannot see it all. That's
I'll let
funny.
you do it. Oh, it's a little bit harder than you thought.
No, it's not. I want to turn the blade around.
All right, so she got it. All right, so there we go. So now we're going to separate this. I'm trying not to touch the adhesive part because I want it to be really sticky. So she's going to pull that up a little bit more, and then I'm going to go under. And she's going to set it. No, she's not going to do that. That was a mistake. Now you got to get it straight. A little more. A little more. Oh, shit. I don't know if you're there. Got to get a little tighter. There we go. All right, that looks good. Okay, you get under. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Well, I want to make sure I'm not making a crease with this.
Yeah, it's already come off on the side. Oh well.
I don't know where you're at. Are you? Good shit. All right.
Yep, you need both hands.
I'm doing it, but can you hold it?
Go.
You're not holding it enough.
Go. You need both hands.
You got both hands.
All the way to the edge.
I got my elbows on it.
Okay.
There we go. Done. Not too bad. You were a little off.
Yeah. Well, but it shouldn't have been, but see this should, so I can't tell because
you gotta do it. You gotta do it from that.
Well, I did
Just
that.
remember, you got an overlap here, so if it's over at the back,
I did that first.
It's not as crucial.
Why
it's not as critical.
But I lined that up.
All right, so we got to get the edge now.
Okay, so how do we do this? Get this.
I think you got to pull it hard and then put the heat on. Let me put the heat on when you pull.
No, you can't. What I have to do is get this all the way down first.
Okay. Did it come with directions?
Yeah, and it just says.
Oh, you got a bubble in there.
Yeah, that's hard.
Are you ready for the heat?
Wait.
All right, turn it on. You want high heat or low? There's a bubble right there.
Yeah, I know.
Let me get it.
I did.
Here, hang on.
Yeah, but I don't want to make a crease.
There, you got it
I
all.
mean, that's as best as it can. No, then it just comes back here again.
Then you got to pull it down. You get it. You pull it down. You got to pull it down.
See, I've already done that. You have to do it from down here.
That's what I'm saying. You got to pull it down. I'm just pushing it off the edge, and then you pull it down.
Yeah, but we can't keep pushing off this edge. You have to push it from here. You understand? If you push here, look.
This is what I go through every day.
Look, if you push up here while I'm pushing here, all you're going to do is make a bubble here. So you can't push the bubble from here. You have to push it down.
So do you understand physics?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand what physics is?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, because what you're saying doesn't make sense.
Oh, gosh.
But I'm putting the heat on it.
No.
Every day is a learning experience for me.
Oh, I wish that were true.
All right, I'm putting it on. That's how you get the bubbles out with the heat.
No, make bubbles. I don't understand.
I'm never right.
Honey, I'm watching it. You see all this? This wasn't here until the heater went on, the dryer went on. So I don't understand how it's supposed to work. Because I'm pushing them out, and it doesn't come out. I had all this flat.
Looks good. This is our project. We still have all these. We're not going to make you watch every single one. But let's see what she looks like when she puts it in there.
I'm not going to put that in because that's still wet. So I have to put these stacked up.
I would just set them over here because that was the next one right there.
Honey, I numbered them in order.
Really?
They have to go in order.
I don't think it matters. I think they're all the same size.
These probably fit fine here. So
I think they're all the same size.
they could have been, but.
All right, now first you got to get it in the hole, and then not that way. Oh, you got to get it in all the way. There you go. Smush it in all the way. Keep going. You got a little more. Now come up. A little bit more. Okay, set it around. Okay, good. Done. That's it right there. Looks good. Let's step back and admire our work. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.